Good morning children and welcome back. Yesterday I taught you about school and some good manners and safety rules which you must follow at school, right? And today we will revise the same topic once again and then we will do an activity related to the same. And after that I will give you the solution of the worksheet which I gave you yesterday. Okay, so let's start the revision.
Here you can see the school building in the first picture. What is the name of your school? Yes, 9 kids. And what you can see in front of the school building? Very good, it is a school van. Do you remember the different sections of the school which we learnt yesterday? I will tell you. The principal office, classroom, art and craft room, play area and library. Now it's time to revise some good manners. The first good manner is to greet others. You should always say good morning to your teachers and you can also say hello, hi, how are you to your friends. The next good manner is to use magic words. You should always use magic words like please, sorry, excuse me, thank you and may I. The next one is listen to your teacher. You should always listen to your teacher carefully. You should always raise your hand if you want to say something. The next good manner is to share. You should always share your toys, food and anything with your friend who need them. The last good manner is to help others. You should always help others and be a good child. It's time to revise school safety rules which keep you safe at school. Okay? So, the first safety rule is do not run in the classroom. Otherwise, you may fall down. The second safety rule is you should always walk in a line and do not run while using stairs. The third one is do not push anyone. Right? And the next one is do not put things in the mouth. Now, the another one is do not poke pencils to others. And the last one is you should never play with your ID cards.
Now it's time to do an activity.
For today's activity, we need this type of drawing. But I know that you don't have this type of drawing, right? So for that, your mama can draw the same for you or she can also give you the printout for the same. So for activity, we need some colors, a pencil or a black sketch pen and a drawing of school. But can you see here? The drawing is incomplete and you can also see numbers 1 to 10 over here. So first we have to complete the drawing by joining numbers 1 to 10 in order. So let's start. We have to start with number 1. We have to join the dots which are given in front of the each number. Okay? So let's start. We have to first join number 1 to 2 like this, then 2 to 3 like this, then 3 to 4, 4 to 5, 5 to 6, then 6 to 7, 7 to 8, 8 to 9 and last 9 to 10. So our drawing is complete. Now we are going to color the drawing. Okay. First, I am using red color. You can use any colors of your choice, right? Then yellow color. You can use red, blue, purple, brown, any color of your choice. Now we are going to use red color again. You can see here I have completed my drawing by using different colors. Doesn't it look nice? Yes, it looks very nice. You can also use same colors or any colors of your choice. I hope you all must have done the worksheet which I gave you yesterday, right? As I told you, we have to put tick mark on safe situation and cross mark on unsafe situation, right? So let's see the solution. The first picture is of do not run in the classroom. Is it safe or unsafe? Yes, it is safe. So we have to put tick mark in a box. Now in the second picture, the boy is running up and down the stairs. It is safe or unsafe? No, it is unsafe. So we have to put cross mark. Now in the third one, the boy is playing with ID card. It is also unsafe. So we have to put cross mark. The fourth picture is of do not poke pencils. You should not poke pencils to others. So it is safe. So we have to put tick mark. The next situation is do not push anyone. It is also safe. So we have to put tick mark again. And the last situation is do not put things in the mouth. You should never put things in the mouth. So it is also safe. So you have to put tick mark.
Thank you. See you soon. Till then, bye-bye.